guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. Today we're back with another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back to another video. It is 2021, so 2022. So happy New Year's, guys. Anyways, guys, so today's video, that was very dry. That was dry. But y'all know what it is. Happy New Year's. I hope you guys are having a great New Year. Starting off the year right. Eiley, stop it. But anyways, yeah, so today is actually the 30th. I'm getting ready for the new year and I wanted to do something different with my hair, something that I've never done. So I am about to curl my hair using these perm rods. I've been seeing a lot of people using these perm rods. I never curled my hair using these perm rods, so I'm really excited, you guys. I'm really just excited to see how they turn out and how the curls, how tight the curls turn out. But anyways, guys, so we're gonna get started. I have my mom who's gonna help me and my sister who's gonna help me. I was gonna do a retwist, but my mom was like, I don't need a retwist. So I'm like, yeah, I really don't need a retwist. So I'll probably just retwist like the front of my hair just to make it a little presentable, but that's about it. I'm not gonna do anything crazy to it. So what you're gonna need for this video is first some water, because if your hair is dry like mine, it's because with these type of hairstyles, it's better for it to be a little damp to dry, so that the curls can, when it dries, the curls are more tight and more defined. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So first we're going to spray our hair. I have my mirror in front of me. Actually, you guys, I'm not gonna do it like that. I'm gonna just put my hair in a ponytail. We will, as we go, oh my gosh, what's the word? As we go, we will.
Are we making you nervous?
No, my
Are
head.
we the drama?
This happens. You're annoying. You're annoying. Alright, y'all. So, I need to put this camera a little bit higher. So, I guess for the smaller ones, I'll use like the smaller, because there's different sizes with this. It's not like a one size thing. So, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Like for like the thicker locks, I'll use like the thicker ones, and then for the smaller locks, I'll use the smaller ones. All right, y'all. So my mom's doing it right now. I've entrusted her for this. For this style, guys? Because I don't know, for some reason, it's when I do it, it's not staying. So. Oh, my ears. Okay. So this is what we have so far. And my mom's so scared to wet my hair.
Don't be tripping.
Why are you tripping like that?
I've been tripping, Mom, because if it's not wet, it's not going to curl.
Alright, you guys, so as you guys can see, I am almost done. Well, I said me. My mom is almost done with my hair. You guys, it was pretty nice. I did not do my hair this time, you guys. My mom did it, thank God, because your girl was feeling a little lazy. And she did a pretty good job, y'all. Like, we only have this much left. Everything is like in there. I'm just putting extra water so that, you know, when it dries up pretty well. It didn't take that long, Mom. I think it took like what, 1 hour? Yeah, I think it was like only an hour, you guys. It was pretty fast, and I think it's mostly because we're doing them by twos, so that saves a lot of time, honestly. So I thought we was gonna only, I don't know why I thought we would only need like, oh shoot, I keep on doing that, I keep on taking this out. Yeah, I'm scared of how these curls are gonna turn out. Now I'm scared that she said they're probably gonna look crazy. Now I'm thinking that they're gonna really look crazy. Of course. Of course I'm not gonna like take them out the same day. Maybe the next day. Mom said I do this for a living, boy. You do this for a living? You do hair for a living? Oh, this is like putting ulo? Oh, okay. She used to put ulo, yeah. Ulo is like the perm rods. Just the bigger ones. And not on, you know, locks, but like her perm hair. Alright, y'all. So, as you guys can see, we are all done. You guys, I don't even know. I feel like, I don't know how this is going to turn out. Like, I'm kind of scared because I like curls, but I don't think I like really tight curls. I don't know, but I know I wanted a change or whatever for the new year. So, we're going to see how this turn out. I'm going to blow dry them because I don't want to go to sleep with my hair wet because I kept on like spraying them throughout when my mom was doing them. So I'm gonna blow dry them for a little bit, and after that I'm gonna wrap them up and go to sleep, you guys. This is about to be the most uncomfortable sleep ever. Hey guys, it is the next day, and y'all, I am ready to take these things out of my head. Like, oh my God, you guys, last night was so horrible. I could not sleep. Like, I don't know how people do it, but yeah, I could not sleep. Like, everywhere I turn left, right, y'all. It was the most uncomfortable sleep that I've had in a minute, y'all. Like, it was really bad. But yeah, I'm ready to take these off because I'm just ready to take it off to see how this all turns out. So we're gonna get started. Alright, y'all, so I just started removing them, you guys. This is how it's looking like right now. I actually really like it so far. We're gonna take out a few more, and yeah, you guys, so far so good. I'm actually so far, you know, liking the results so far. So okay. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, I am basically done. Yeah, you guys, I'm done. I don't know. I like them. They're very curly, like very, very curly. I'm about to do my makeup. I'm about to do my edges real quick for y'all. And I'm gonna come back and show you guys the end result. Alright, y'all, so you guys see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. You guys see what is going on. Like, y'all, it's giving New Year festive. It's giving ready to go out, but really don't have nowhere to go. It's giving everything. Like, y'all, these curls. Yeah, like I'm about to take a whole photo shoot because I already know. Like, look how cute these curls. Like, I didn't even do much to them. The only thing I did was just did the side part. I did my makeup. I did my edges, and then I just flipped this side over here and just tugged some parts that was just like loose a little bit. But besides that, you guys, that is absolutely it. Like, I am just so in love with this hairstyle, you guys. I wasn't sure. I think next time if I do it again, I'm not gonna sleep with it. I'm probably gonna just do it like early in the morning and do it and take it out the like, you know, that night or before I go to sleep, because yeah, it was very uncomfortable. But besides that, you guys, would I do it again? Heck yeah. Like, these curls are super cute. It's giving me like wedding vibes. It's giving me Christmas vibe. It's giving me, I don't know, I love this. Like, this is super cute. Like, and I didn't even like retwisted my hair, you guys. This is all without a retwist. I can't wait to see, you know, how it looks like when I do you know, when the curls get a little looser, to see how, like, you know, how it's gonna look. But right now, you guys, I am loving it. Let me turn on this side so you guys can see. But yeah, I don't know how the back looks, but all I can say is the front is giving, honey. Like, it is giving. Like, I'm so happy how this turned out. I hope you guys like. Let me know if down below if you guys like how this turned out, because I am in love. I don't know, I feel like I say that to every style that I do, like every curls that I do. But these ones, it's giving, I'm starting off the new year fresh. I'm starting off the new year on with, like, you know, with a bang. Like, that's what it's giving, y'all. Like, I love it so much, y'all. But anyways, let me stop feeling myself. Let me end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what y'all think down below, if you like it, if you don't, if you're gonna try it. Let me know down below. I'm gonna leave the link to these down below. I bought this on Amazon. These are the perm rods that I use. Amazing. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys.